Today, the women are running these poor men out of their mind.
That's right.
Amen. They're leaving God.
That's right.
They chase behind some shorts.
That's right.
Listen to me, brother. Listen to the old man real good.
Real good.
There's not a set of thighs or hips or toes that you can point out on this earth that's worth trading God in for.
That's right.
I don't care how good that woman thinks she looks.
That's it.
If she's Gabriel's niece, it's possible.
If possible.
And she glide from heaven to the earth.
That's right.
With golden sandals and got a golden lasso like Wonder Woman. And when she tie you up,
that's right.
truth come out of you.
Truth come out of you.